Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and work like humans. These machines are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing images, understanding natural language, making decisions, and solving problems. AI is made by using various algorithms and statistical models, combined with large amounts of data and computing power. The goal is to train the machine so that it can make predictions or take actions based on the input it receives. For example, an AI system for image recognition might be trained on a massive dataset of images, each labeled with what it depicts, for example, dog, cat, car. The AI system then uses this training data to learn the features that are common to each object, so that when it sees a new image, it can identify what is in the image based on those features. AI is used in many different industries and applications. Some examples include healthcare. AI can be used to analyze medical images to detect diseases or conditions. Finance. AI can be used to detect fraud in financial transactions or to make predictions about stock prices. Customer service. AI chatbots can be used to answer customer questions and provide assistance. Self-driving cars. AI can be used to help cars navigate roads and make decisions about how to drive safely. The goal of AI is to make machines intelligent and make their behavior more human-like. While AI has the potential to greatly improve many aspects of our lives, it is important to consider the ethical and social implications of its use.